boys and girls, welcome back. So today we are going to learn about something called adjectives. Okay, before we get into that, let's do a quick review. So this is what we're doing today, adjectives. So we also learned about something called a noun. What was a noun again? A noun was what? A person, place, or a thing. So remember, person, place, or a thing. And remember, things could include animals as well. All right, so erase this. An example of a person could be Miss M, right? I'm a person. So a person. A place could be school. I'm in school right now, so let me just make a quick building. Here's a school. And a thing could be the laptop. Right? Those are just 3 examples of nouns. So any person, any place, anything, and remember in the thing, we also said animals count too. So let's just draw a cat. Okay, there's my little cat. All right, now we also learned about verbs. What's a verb again? Call it out, and then I'll give you the answer. Ready? 3, 2, 1. That's right. So if you said a verb is an action word, you are correct. So that just basically means it's something that you do. So right now, I'm writing, right? That's something that I'm doing. I'm speaking. I'm blinking. I'm listening. Waving, jumping, running, anything that you do is a verb, okay? So noun is a person, place, or thing. Verb is an action word, something that you do. Today, we are going to learn about adjectives. So adjectives, and I'll have a poster up in a sec. Let's talk about it first. Adjectives are basically words that describe nouns. So they describe nouns. Describe nouns. And remember, a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. So they're words that describe a person, place, or thing. What do I mean by that? So you could describe something by how it looks, by what it sounds like, what it smells like, what it tastes like, what it feels like. So for example, here, let me bring up my little friend over here. So I have my salamander, which Jake actually used last year. So I would describe this by saying that it looks shiny, right? Looks a little shiny. It's the color orange, yellow, and pink. It feels squishy. I can't taste it, right? It's not something we eat. Can't really smell it either. And that's basically what I could say. I could say that it's long, right? It's a very long salamander. It's a little heavy. Okay? So let's put up my chart so you can see exactly what nouns are. I mean, not nouns, adjectives. So here's my little chart on adjectives. So adjectives tell us about nouns, and nouns are, again, let me come a little closer so you can see it. Place, thing, or a person, right? Person, place, or thing. So nouns can tell you what color something is. It could tell you how many of something there is. It could tell you how something feels. So remember with my little lizard, I said it feels squishy. Feels like there's like little beads inside. Is it hot? Is it cold? If it applies. It tells you how something smells. So does it smell fresh or does it smell stinky? It could tell you the size. Is it big? Is it little? So I would say this is kind of big, right? It's pretty big. It tells you how something sounds. This doesn't really have a sound, so I can't really describe it by sound. How something tastes. So it could be sour like a lemon. It could be sweet like candy. It could be juicy like an apple. How something looks. So again, that ties into what color. Does it look scary? Does it look pretty? Does it look cute like our friend over here? What shape is it? Sometimes it could be a certain shape. So for example, this eraser is kind of like the shape of a rectangle, right? And that's basically it. So these words, so if I say my lizard is orange, right? Let's write that down. My lizard, we'll erase this. My lizard is orange, right? So remember, adjectives are words that describe a noun. So let's stop by finding the noun first. We'll start by finding a noun. So what's my noun in this? Person, place, thing, or animal. My lizard is orange. So what's my noun? Lizard, right? So lizard is my noun. What's the word that describes my lizard? Whether it's how it looks, how it sounds, how it smells, how it tastes, how it feels, how many, the size. What describes the lizard? My lizard is orange. Right, so orange describes the lizard because I know that the lizard is orange, right? I could say my lizard is long. And that's an adjective. Again, long is describing what my lizard looks like. It's orange, it's long, okay? So those words are adjectives. So if I say, Miss M's jacket is green, it's an olive green, what's my adjective? The color green. My jacket is the noun, and it's green is how I'm describing it. I could say my jacket is slippery. That's how it feels, right? So again, jacket is my noun. It's the thing, and it feels slippery. So my adjective is slippery. All right, let's do one more example, okay? So basically any word that you're describing something, a describing word, shiny, slippery, soft, hard, sour, spicy, colorful, cold, hot. What else could we say? You could say how it smells, stinky, or fresh. All those words are adjectives. They're describing the noun. All right, so I'm going to say the book is green and heavy. Okay, so let's start by finding the noun in this sentence. The book is green and heavy. So remember, a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. Okay, so which of these is a person, a place, or a thing? Yeah, the book. The book is something. Now, what words are describing my book? It tells me what it looks like, what it feels like. Which words? The book is green and heavy. Yeah, so green and heavy are my adjectives because it's describing my book, the noun. It tells me that the book is green green, and it's kind of heavy. Okay? And that is it. So we'll go over this. Oops, sorry about that. We'll go over this on Zoom, okay?